Electricity is invisible, so you can't see the danger. But it can kill. Here are some simple steps to make sure your electrical equipment is safe to use. First up, it's important to make sure all electrical equipment you buy has the regulatory compliance mark on it or its packaging. This symbol means the products meet Australian safety requirements. When you shop in store or online, check for this RCM symbol before you buy. You can also double check your purchase at electricalsafety.qld.gov.au or eess.gov.au. Buying electrical equipment that is safe is the first step. Next, you need to keep it safe by following the manufacturer's instructions for use, maintenance and service. Don't forget to check to see if it's marked indoor use only or for outdoor use. For household electrical equipment, make sure power leads are fully uncoiled before you use them. When you're finished, roll up the power leads in a natural coiling motion. If you need to detangle power leads, make sure you switch them off, unplug, and then coil the lead from the connection end, not the plug end. Over time, all electrical equipment can become unsafe. Signs to look out for are cracked, broken or warped casings, damaged safety guards, colour changes from overheating or moisture, water damage, lead fraying, abrasions and cuts. If you suspect your electrical equipment is broken or faulty, don't use it. Get it repaired or dispose of it. Recycling is the safest way to dispose of electrical equipment. Contact your local council or product retailer for safe disposal options. Cut the plug from the power lead and then break the pins on the plug so it cannot be plugged into a power point again. Make sure your electrical appliances are safe and in good working order. Electricity is invisible, so you can't see the danger, but it can kill. Find out more at electricalsafety.qld.gov.au.